This tire is fucking toast. We're gonna have to take this into the shop. What's good, y'all? It's Exclusive here with another trucking video. Today is Sunday, July 26th. We are pulling up to the Norfolk Southern Yard in Calumet, Chicago. Coming off of the weekend's over with. Get back to it, get back to this money. Grabbing a load here at the rail yard and taking it to McKinley. It's the shipper that we go to in Wisconsin. That dude got a big ass bike. His bike is big as shit and he's small as shit. I'm just trying to figure out, like, how is he even able to ride that? His feet was barely touching the floor. It's currently 11. I didn't say that, but it's currently 11:37 right now. It's kind of late. We're starting a little bit late, but we're not going that far. We're not going that many miles, so we should be good on that. Yeah, I think that's the one we're picking up. Make sure. Yeah, so we're picking up 257-093. That's it to the left. We'll back up into it. See what we got today. Paper. Scrap paper. We get a lot of scrap paper loads. There's a little bit of a gap. I gotta so whenever I hook these up and then there's a gap and it's not flush, the fifth wheel isn't flush with the container trailer, you basically just have to roll the legs up a little bit. Ah, damn. This is definitely a lot of weight. I can tell this is heavy. Ah, woo! Should be flushing. All right, so now there's no gap. I'm gonna back into it. Check, make sure it's locked at the bottom. We got our load now. On our way to Outgate. I'm making it easier for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Now I can get some exercise. You wanna be like that? You wanna be like that? But you wanna kill him and see when I move me like that. It is a hot day today. You wanna kill him and so make it move me like hey. Baby girl, she want play. She know I give it to her. Man, this is the type of weather you outside for just a couple minutes and you start sweating. Hey girl, why you gotta tease me like that? Slim, thick waist and the booty so fat. She look good, 1 pound Snapchat. Send location, happy come where you at. Wanna party with the gang in the clear. Bottles on bottles, got them everywhere. All right, so we're on our way to McKinley now. Let's see what the rest of the day has in store for us. All right, guys, we're about to pull up to the shipper, McKinley. We're following. We fell behind schedule a little bit. I expected to be here at 3. We're here at 4:30, so but it is what it is. Drop this load, take our 30, and then figure out where we're going from here. All right, we arrived at the McKinley paper facility. Okay. A lot of bales lately. Woo! It's hot. It's hot. We're 77,000 pounds. It's super hot today, y'all. How's it going? Dropping off and picking up.
This trailer is going to drop back here. Not up here, not up here, not up here, back here.
Yeah, they were already on me about it. The guy over there, he was already yelling at me the other day, and I could tell he was cranky because it was really hot outside. So
yesterday, one of your brightest drivers dropped the loaded one right there before he left.
In the dock?
It was empty. It sank.
In the dock?
No, next to the building.
Oh.
That's not a dock there.
Oh, okay.
That's the old credit union.
All right. But yeah, I'm pretty because
he moved the cones.
Oh yeah.
To drop it in the spot that says "Do not put loaded trailers here." And before he left with this empty, it was already sinking into the ground.
Yeah, I'm just used to because there's so many different places throughout the time that I've been here that we park at. So it's just that's the only issue. All right, guys. So today we got lucky. It's a Sunday, so it's a smooth day. We're dropping off and we're picking up at the same place. This is our loads that we're picking up. So take our break and then pick up the next load.
So I can't my dog for sure. She stay down like flow. She ain't like you hoes, yeah. She's the one who understands. She's what my heart demands. Keep from around you, not a chance. Cop designer from France. She's someone who understands. She's what my heart demands. Keep from around you, not a chance. Cop designer from France. We gon' go round the globe, yeah. We go round the globe, yeah. Oh, of course together we gon' grow. We gon' get up and beyond. Held me down when I was low. Pay my bill the way I go. Ay, they didn't think this would last, yeah. So grab a drink, grab a glass. After that I grab your, but don't worry about the past. She's the one who understands. She's what my heart demands. Keep from around you, not a chance. Cop designer from France. She's someone who understands. She's what my heart demands. Keep from around you, not a chance. Cop designer from France. We go round the globe, yeah.
Hold on real quick. About to get out here and hook this up real quick. Quick update. It is 9:48. I just got to the yard I'm dropping at, and we ran into an issue. I don't even know if you guys would be able to tell, but one of the tires on the truck is down, and I didn't realize it until a little bit earlier when we were driving. It's kind of dark right now. I don't know if you guys would be able to see it, but I can flip the camera around. But we got here in one piece. I try not to record during the night, you know, because of the visibility is different. But you know, this tire is fucked up, so I gotta fix this tire. I'm gonna to take this truck to the shop as soon as possible. I wanted to show you guys real quick before I unhook this, or while I'm unhooking it, so you can see the damage. I didn't even realize this tire is fucking toast. We're gonna have to take this into the shop. This tire is fucking finito. The inside is gone. I didn't realize it till late. Drop this off. But we're gonna do that, drop this load off, and get that figured out, get that taken care of tomorrow. And when I get a chance, I'll also show you guys what I'm at for the week. You know, stay tuned to the next one. Peace.